welcome to Thursday Cooking with Kevin, and this week we are doing cherry pie cookie cups. Very easy ingredients here. We need, for my American friends, 16.5 ounce of rolled refrigerated sugar cookie dough. My Canadian friends, that equals to 468 grams of rolled cookie dough. So that's all I got. Now, this is the sugar, I guess the sugar cookie dough. Yeah. And it was, I think, cost like $2.94 or something like that at the grocery store. We need a half cup of granulated sugar, 121 ounce of cherry pie filling, or in Canada, 540 mils. I like the E.D. Smith. It's always good. 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. So what we're going to do, first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray our muffin tins, because we're going to use our muffin tins. Kelly had mentioned about using the paper cups, but I'm not going to do that because I think you want to actually do it in the pan, just so that the cookie, gets like kind of crisp. That's what you can say. So all we're going to do is spray your pan and set your oven to 350. And we're just spraying our pans now. And for everyone who wants to know, we buy the Kirkland brand of cooking spray. It's canola. I'll tell you, this stuff lasts for a long time. I've had this for quite a long time. I'm trying to remember when I bought it. It's been, like I said, a long time ago. It lasts, like I said, it lasts longer. A can of that lasts longer than a can of the pan. And I think it's cheaper too overall. Okay. So all we're going to do is we're going to cut our dough in half. And then we want 12 equal cuts. That didn't quite work out. You know what? We're just going to cut that in half, that in half, cut that in half, because we want 12 from each. And we're going to roll them into balls. Okay, I'm going to try better to get 12. I only got 11 out of that one. So I just... Now, we got 11. Close enough, right? Alright, now what we're going to do is we are going to roll each of these into a ball. And we're going to roll it in the sugar. And put it in the pan. And we're going to do this for all of them. Okay. And then when we're, yeah, see that's a little thin. We're going to bake these for 15 minutes at 350. And then we're going to take them out and we're going to push down into the center. And we're going to fill it up with the pie filling. And then return it back to the oven and cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes. And make sure you watch Friday's video. I'm going to tell you why. Just got to make sure you watch it. And you want to roughly place them in the center of each of the cups. There we go. Okay. Let's stick these in the oven. There we go for 15 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the topping that we're going to drizzle over. So we are going to melt our butter. Okay, and it's 1 cup of icing sugar. And 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Add in the icing sugar. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of milk first. It's stiff. bit more milk. Better. Because you want to be able to, there you go, you want to be able to drizzle it over them when they're done. Okay, I'm going to leave you there until these are ready to come out of the oven for the first time and we're ready to fill them with the cherry pie filling. They're ready to come out of the oven. Alright, you can see how they've cooked down. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to gently push down. Whew. But we use a spoon. Of course, spoon doesn't work very well either. Just have to do it quickly. And we're just pushing down so we got room for the cherry pie filling. And we're just going to fill these up. Get 2 or 3 cherries in here. And then we'll put these back in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. And when they're done, we'll bring them out, we'll let them cool, so we can put the icing sugar on them. And then once you're done, they recommend you store them in the fridge. Every time I have cherry pie filling, I always brings back memories. My mom used to make homemade cherry pie. She used to buy cherries and de-pit them, but you know, she'd always miss 1 or 2, and it'd never fail. My brother would always get that one. Okay. We are going to go throw these back into the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, when they're ready to come out, we'll bring you back. Although what I'll do is I'll wait for them to cool. I'll take them out of the muffin tins and we'll get them ready for the icing sugar. Here they are done. They look good. They smell good. And we're just going to drizzle some of this all over. I had to add a little bit more milk because unfortunately when this sat, it started hardening up on me, so we're just gonna drizzle. All right, so there we go. Yummy. Okay, we'll meet you back over at the table for the taste test. Okay, here they are. Okay.
They look so good.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Pretty darn yummy.
Probably could have put more drizzle on, but.
No, that's enough.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I can't talk. I'm not good. All right. They are good. Quick.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Inexpensive, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much for joining me for these, what do I call them? Cherry
Pie.
pie
Cookies.
cookie something. I don't know. I always do this every week. I forget to bring paper with me. So anyways, thanks for joining me this week. And as I say every week, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but I'm sure Kelly will let me know. See you later.